plus 6 oxidation state. Plus 6 oxidation state. This is called as peroxo monosulfuric acid. And the another one is H2S2O8. 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 Next one in the sulfuric acid series is H2S2O8. This is called as peroxodisulfuric acid. What is that? Peroxodisulfuric acid, H2S2O8. We call the name as peroxodisulfuric acid. The structure of peroxodisulfuric acid can be in this H2S2O8 having two sulfur atoms are present. So we have put sulfur is the peroxodisulfuric acid. The structure of peroxodisulfuric acid can be drawn as in this peroxo, that means two oxygens. The link is present in two oxygens. This linkage is known as peroxo linkage. Disulfuric acid. We consider sulfuric acid structure. Sulfuric acid structure can be drawn as H2SO4. This is the sulfuric acid structure, and we taking another sulfuric acid, H2SO4 and OH double bond. In those sulfuric acids are reacting to removal of water molecule. What happened? The dehydration will be takes place. So if the removal of water molecule can be takes place, it forms a bonding. That means yes, double bond O and double bond O, OH, oxygen and oxygen. This is the peroxodisulfuric acid structure. In this, sulfur atom exhibits plus 6 oxidation state. Each sulfur atom exhibits plus 6 oxidation state. This is also called as Marshall's acid, and it is the salts are known as disulfates, and it is a strong oxidizing agent because it having the peroxo linkage is present in the peroxodisulfuric acid, and this is a Marshall's acid. Sometimes they are asking H2SO4O8. The other name of H2S2O8 is called as Marshall's acid. And next one is the thioacid sulfuric acid series. In thiosulfuric acid series containing three types of acids or oxoacids are present, that is H2S2O3 and H2S2O4, H2S2O6. These three are exhibits SS linkage. SS linkage means thione. If we any oxoacid containing SS linkage, that acid we called as thioacid. In the thiosulfuric acid, sulfuric acid structure can be drawn as H2. This is the sulfuric acid structure. Thio, the one oxygen replaced by sulfur. The remove one oxygen, we put one sulfur atom. That is this is called as thiosulfuric acid structure. In the formula is hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. How many hydrogens are present? 2 hydrogens, 2 sulfur atoms, H2S2, and 3 oxygens, H2S2O3. H2S2O3 can be we call the name as thiosulfuric acid. We call the name as thiosulfuric acid. In this sulfur atom having the -2 oxidation state and +6 oxidation state or exhibits. This is the free acid does not exist because but it's also exist, and the structure is like this. That means yes, double bond OH. This is the structure of thiosulfuric acid. This is the structure of thiosulfuric acid. And next one is dithionous acid. This is in the series thiosulfuric acid series. This is in the thiosulfuric acid series. In H2S2, H2S2, O, H2S2O4, H2S2O4, that means H2S2O4. We call the name of H2S2O4 is dithionous acid. Dithionous acid. In dithionous acid, thio means SS linkage is present in the oxo acid. Every sulfur atom is must containing S double bond O and OH group. S double bond O and OH group are present in oxo acid. This is the mandatory rule in the to draw the oxo acids of sulfur. This is called as dithionous acid. This is called as dithionous acid, but it exhibits the +3 oxidation state. +3 oxidation state. So we call the name as acid. Lower oxidation state. So we call the name as dithionous acid. The chemical formula is H2S2O4. We can write the chemical formula: hydrogen, sulfur, oxygens. How many hydrogens are present? 2 hydrogens, 2 sulfur atoms. And how many oxygen atoms are present? 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygen atoms are present. So the chemical formula is H2S2O4. This is called as dithionous acid. Dithionous acid. And next one is dithionic acid. It is also in the thiosulfuric acid series. Thiosulfuric acid series. In dithionic acid containing dithio. Thio means SS linkage is must be present in the oxo acids of sulfur, and also containing S double bond O linkage and SOH linkage is mandatory, and also written as sulfuric acid structure is like this: S double bond O, SOH and SOH, and the another atom SOH double bond O, OH. How to remove the 2 oxygen atoms? OH group is present. In this OH group is present, is not removed because this is a dithionic acid. Now chemical formula can be written as HSO. How many hydrogens are present? How many hydrogens are present? How many hydrogens are present? 2 hydrogens are present. Sorry, dithionic acid structure is, this is not correct. I can write as S double bond O, S double bond O. These sulfur atoms are sulfurous atoms, HSO3, HSO3. It containing each sulfur atom containing lone pair of electrons. So this sharing to form a one bond. This is called as dithionic acid. Dithionic acid. The formula can be written as how many hydrogens are present? 2 hydrogens, 2 sulfur atoms, and how many oxygens are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oxygens are present. So the chemical name is dithionic acid. It is in each sulfur atom having +5 oxidation state. +5 oxidation state. Dithio means SS linkage. Every oxo acid should be present in S double bond O and SOH are present. This is the dithionic acid. It is a free acid in moderately stable, but its salts are quite stable. And next one is the pyrosulfuric acid. The pyrosulfuric acid containing H2S2O7. H2S2O7 is called as oleum. Oleum is also called as disulfuric acid, pyrosulfuric acid. The structure of H2S2O7 can be named as disulfuric acid or also called as pyrosulfuric acid. Pyro means heating. Pyro means heating. The heating of sulfuric acid molecules to give a disulfuric acid, pyrosulfuric acid can be obtained. That is the sulfuric acid OH double bond O and OH. This is the sulfuric acid structure, and another sulfuric acid structure can be written as, this is called, by heating these two molecules to remove water molecule from the actual compound, to form a SO. S bond is present. SO, S bond is present. OH, double bond O and double bond O, OH. This is the disulfuric acid structure. What is the disulfuric acid structure? In this molecule, the molecular formula of disulfuric acid is H2SO7. In this sulfur atom, each sulfur atom having plus 6 oxidation state. H2SO7 having H2SO8 having the plus 6 oxidation state. This is the oxo acids of sulfur. And the oxo acids of sulfur can be tabled as like this. What this? In the oxo acids of sulfur containing mainly 8 oxo acids, that is, first one is the H2SO3. In H2SO3 we call the name as sulfurous acid. In the H2SO3, sulfur exhibits plus 4 oxidation state. It is a free acid, does not exist diprotic. Because it is a strong reducing agent. The structure is like this. And the another one, H2SO4. This is the king of chemicals. In H2SO4, the sulfur oxidation state is plus 6 oxidation state. This is called the name as sulfuric acid and also called as oil of vitriol. The structure is like this. It is a stable diprotic acid and also called as dehydrating agent. A dehydrating agent means any compound we should react with H2SO4. It removes water molecule. The process is called as dehydration. So we treating an agent like so we call it dehydrating agent. And the next one is H2SO3. H2SO3 is called the name as thiosulfuric acid. Thio means SS bond linkage is present in the compound, and in the first sulfur atom having minus 2 oxidation state is this sulfur having plus 6 oxidation state. It is a free acid, does not exist, but its salts are exist. Example, Na2H2O3. This salt is exist, all quite stable reducing agent. The structure is like this. And the next one is H2SO4. H2SO4 we call the name as dithionous acid.